Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. The Zamioculcas plant has long been considered a symbol of luck, wealth, and prosperity. However, sometimes because people are too busy or leave the plant in the living room for too long without proper care, the plant begins to show signs of yellowing leaves, weak soft stems, and gradually loses its vitality. Many people think that the plant is ruined and difficult to save, but in reality, with proper treatment, the Zamioculcas plant can completely recover and become green and healthy again. In today's video, I will share with you a simple care method that is easy to do at home, helping the plant recover healthily, stimulating root development, and making the leaves greener and shinier. Especially, this method only uses familiar ingredients available in the kitchen that almost anyone can prepare. If you are a beginner who loves ornamental plants, do not forget to subscribe to the Great Garden channel, so you will not miss many more simple but extremely effective plant care tips. Let us get started right away. First, use specialized scissors to cut off the dry, wilted, or yellowed leaves as shown in the video. This helps the plant reduce nutrient loss to leaves that are no longer capable of photosynthesis, thereby concentrating energy on nourishing the healthy leaves and the root system below. At the same time, removing damaged leaves also helps the plant become more airy, limiting moisture accumulation and reducing the risk of fungal diseases or harmful bacteria developing. Yellowed leaves left on the plant for too long can also make the plant look unattractive and affect the development of new shoots. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, water the plant with a moderate amount of clean water to wake up the root system after a long period of dryness and weakness. This helps the roots regain moisture, supports more stable root activity, and reduces dehydration in the leaves. At the same time, clean water also helps soften the dry, hardened soil around the roots, creating conditions for the plant to absorb nutrients better during the next care steps. Let the plant rest for 15 minutes. During that time, I will prepare a nutrient solution to help the plant recover. First, prepare a clean cup as shown in the image. The ingredient I am using today is oats. Oats contain many vitamins, minerals, and natural nutrients beneficial for plants, improving leaf vitality and increasing the recovery ability of weakened plants. Add 3 tablespoons of oats into the clean glass cup. Then, pour about 500 milliliters of hot water into the cup to mix with the oats. Use a spoon to stir the solution evenly into the water. Stirring evenly helps release nutrients from the oats more effectively, helping the plant absorb them more easily during use. Finally, cover the lid and steep the solution for 1 hour. After about 1 hour, use a strainer to filter out all residue, keeping only the clear and clean nutrient water. Filtering out the residue helps make the solution easier to use, limiting clogging in spray bottles or residue buildup on leaves and the soil surface. At the same time, this purified liquid also helps the plant absorb nutrients more gently and effectively during the care process. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution. That is it. We now have an oat mixture to water the plant. Method 1. Pour the oat solution into a small cup, then gently use soft cotton to wipe each side of the leaves of the Zamioculcas plant. The oat solution helps remove dirt and dust from the leaves, supports naturally green and shiny leaves, and helps the leaf surface become more airy for more effective photosynthesis. At the same time, the natural nutrients in oats also help the plant become healthier and improve the vitality of weak or dull leaves. You should wipe the leaves about once per week to keep the leaves always clean and beautiful while limiting long-term dust buildup. If you have questions or want to share about orchids, please post on the community tab of the channel. Let us exchange and learn orchid care experiences together every day. In addition to the Zamioculcas plant, you can also use this solution to wipe the leaves of the peace lily plant. The oat solution helps remove the layer of dust and dirt attached to the leaf surface, helping the leaves become naturally greener, shinier, and fresher. When the leaves are cleaner and more airy, the plant can also photosynthesize more effectively, thereby supporting the growth and recovery process of the plant. Especially for the peace lily plant, a plant often placed indoors or in offices, the leaves easily collect dust and become dull over time. Regularly wiping the leaves with the oat solution will help prevent dry leaf tips, maintain a beautiful glossy appearance, and help the entire plant pot look healthier and fresher. Method 2. Pour the oat solution into a specialized spray bottle. Then gently spray evenly over the entire Zamioculcas plant. Direct spraying helps the solution evenly cover both sides of the leaves, helping remove dirt and long-term buildup on the leaf surface. As a result, the leaves become more airy, supporting a more effective photosynthesis process. In addition, the natural nutrients from oats also help the leaves maintain a healthy shine, reduce dryness and dullness, and support better recovery after a long period of neglect. This method also helps the plant gently absorb nutrients through the leaf surface, thereby increasing the overall vitality of the Zamioculcas plant. Method 3. Pour the remaining solution into a specialized watering can, then gently water around the base of the plant. Watering directly at the base helps nutrients from the oats penetrate deeply into the growing medium, thereby nourishing the root system to function better and stimulating stronger new root growth. At the same time, the solution also helps maintain stable moisture in the soil, limiting root dryness or water shock after care. When the environment around the roots improves, the plant will absorb nutrients more effectively, helping it recover quickly and develop more steadily. In addition, this watering method also helps increase the plant's resistance, reduce yellowing leaves, and support the plant in regaining its natural vitality over time. In addition to the Zamioculcas plant, I also use this solution to water the anthurium plant. The oat solution helps supplement natural nutrients for the soil, supports the root system to function better, and helps the plant absorb nutrients more effectively. At the same time, it also helps improve overall vitality, making the leaves greener, the plant healthier, and limiting weakness or slow growth. When cared for properly, the anthurium plant will also respond positively by producing healthy new leaves, maintaining vibrant colors, and developing more steadily over time. Results: from a dry, wilted plant with yellow leaves, weak stems, and almost no vitality left. After a period of proper care, the plant gradually recovered and became lush again. At first, the plant had almost stopped growing, the leaves drooped down, and the natural green color faded away. However, after the care and recovery process, the plant began to change noticeably. New leaves appeared greener, thicker, and with a naturally healthy shine. The older leaves also gradually stabilized, no longer yellowing or drooping as before. More importantly, the root system recovered well, developed strongly, and firmly attached itself to the growing medium. This helps the plant absorb water and nutrients more effectively, thereby improving its entire internal vitality. As a result, the plant not only recovered, but also developed more steadily over time, maintaining a greener, healthier, and more sustainable condition than before. If you found this content useful, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on notifications to follow more simple but effective plant care methods. See you again in the next videos.